In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix an error occurred. Please try again later error on your Telegram app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you are getting this type of error, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, we need to troubleshoot our Telegram app. To do this, just go to settings on your phone, and from settings, look for the option called apps. Under apps, look for manage or all apps option, and this will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Telegram, and here it is. If you tap on it, you'll be taken to Telegram app info page. Here, first go to force stop, tap on it, and okay, this will stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data and clear cache, and okay. Once you're done, now restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your Telegram app, everything should be up and running. However, should you still encounter the same error, then check and see if you have any VPN turned on your phone. Turn it off or uninstall it temporarily to see if that fixes your issue. This also applies to any security app that you recently installed. However, even after doing this, if you still have the same challenge, then go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for Telegram. So because I'm on Android, I'll go to Play Store and tap on Telegram and find out if we have any update. Update your Telegram app to the latest version. Now, in most cases, this will be able to fix your issue. However, if you still experience the same problem, then most likely the error or the issue is with Telegram internal server. For that, you need to try again after some few minutes to see if the problem has been fixed. So that's how you can fix this error on your Telegram app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.